Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Projects Around. Dave, Ray, and that's Jake. He's going to do our camera work today. The project at hand is going to be able fixing this patio. So let me show you what we're going to do. Over the years, this is cracked and settled away. What we want to do is we're going to cut this section, and it's also low right here where the asphalt meets. So we're going to cut along here, take all this out here at a later date. Today we're just doing the cutting, and we're going to re-pour the concrete. We also have, sorry about that, Ray. We also have a section right here that's gone bad, so we're going to cut that out as well. So today is just the prepping and doing the cutting. I borrowed a saw from a friend, so I need to return that to him. I want to get the cutting done today. So we'll start here in a minute. We'll get it over this. Let's go out to the farthest corner here. Yeah, you got that chalk. Sideways chalk. Sidewalk chalk. Looks good. We just go 12 inches with that. Make that. All right. See if that's 12 down there. Okay. See how square we got that. Huh?
Yep.
Good. All right, so let's dry cut it. That way we don't wash away the chalk marks. We'll just make a score on all of these, and then we'll switch to using a hose. No wonder they keep breaking the, what do you call it on this? So we stopped cutting because I remember we have electric conduit that runs down through here, and I do not want to hit that electric conduit. So we're going to take the sledgehammer and bust a little bit up here and dig down and find out where that conduit is, so we can then mark it. Before we get slamming with that thing, though,
Yeah, that's what I told all the girls. I told Becca and Steph said, okay, we'll get on it.
All right, so we can probably go back over here and work on this while they move the cars, and then we'll have to bust it out. It's in here on the wall, so it comes down in here somewhere. What I don't want to do is cut this way and go right through that conduit. Closer to the crack, Ray. There you go. All right.
Stop sticking your ass in the camera.
bust up them smaller ones in front. That's wire. That's the wire already. You know? Right down here. Whether it goes that way or that way, I don't know.
You want to get a little bit dusty?
So we dug down over 12 inches here, down along the foundation. The conduit comes right down straight through the wall in a metal conduit. So I feel safe with the blade on that, with only the cutting depth of about 6 inches, that we're not even getting get anywhere close to cutting through that electric. So now that we've done that, I feel a lot better about it. We're going to clean up the mess here, and then we'll continue on getting the rest of it cut out, and we'll just fill this back in a little bit here so the grandkids don't fall into it, which you know they're going to. Let's take a look at it here in a minute. All right, so we've done for the day. We got all of this scored. Ray and I went around to half dozen places trying to find a belt for that saw. Someone have to order it offline. It was kind of a pain finding that Husqvarna belt. But we got this scored and we're getting ready to go. We got this over here done. Jake and I are just sitting having an adult beverage while we're doing the editing on this video. So I hope you guys got some useful hints for it. As you can see, we're going to be replacing that garage door, like I told you in previous videos. And here it is. We went down and picked that up. So we'll be doing that this coming weekend. That'll be another video, so look forward to that. So once again, thanks for joining us here at Projects Around. We hope you enjoyed the video and got something from it. If you like it, let us know. Put your comments down below, and please subscribe. Thanks. We'll talk to you next week.